Stalker 2, Heart of Chornobyl, built on Unreal Engine 5, initially suffered from widespread crash issues after its November 2024 launch. These crashes stemmed from optimization challenges with Unreal Engine 5, particularly on diverse hardware configurations, including AMD GPUs and older CPUs. GSC Game World addressed these issues through several major patches. By November 2025, post-launch support and improvements to Unreal Engine 5's stability mean that Stalker 2 is now a stable title for the majority of players. Key fixes for Stalker 2's stability issues included optimizing memory management, shader compilation, and ray tracing features within Unreal Engine 5. Specifically, memory leaks and allocation problems were addressed through dynamic asset streaming and garbage collection optimizations. Shader compilation issues were resolved using pre-compiled shaders for common hardware configurations and implementing fallback rendering modes. Ray tracing features were tuned to prevent crashes across different GPU types by optimizing the rendering pipelines. The future looks promising, with GSC Game World planning a stability overhaul DLC in Q1 2026. Broader industry trends suggest that Unreal Engine 6, expected in 2026, will further mitigate such issues with improved cross-platform support, potentially reducing crash-related problems by up to 50% in new titles.